Hello everyone, we are Turkish Erasmus team. I'm Oğul.
I'm Zeynep.
I'm Eylül.
I'm Kübra.
I'm Kaan.
And I'm Ataberk.
So we are basically build a project that improves energy efficiency by controlling the room temperature, and today we're gonna show you in this short video how we did this and how can you do that in just 3 simple steps.
So, in order to make a HeatBeat, we have 3 steps in front of us. First step is the connecting the circuits, second step is making the software to program to work, and finally last step is getting all things together. So, now I will be showing you how to connect the circuits of our project. In order to make our connections, we need to connect both ground and voltage from our Arduino to breadboard. We are going to use 2 different lines for both 5V and 3.3 volts. Then we need to connect our temperature sensor to the breadboard, connect ground with 5 volts and control pins to the Arduino. Right after that, we will be connecting our potentiometer to the breadboard. Same as the temperature sensor, we will be connecting ground, 5V and control to the Arduino. After we connected potentiometer, we will be connecting our LEDs to see if our room is hot, warm or cold. As same as the other compounds, we will be connecting ground from LEDs to the breadboard and control pins to the Arduino. And for the last, we will be connecting our LCD screen. As you can see in the paper in front of you, we will be connecting our ground and 5V as same as the other compounds. And we will be connecting our CDA and CGL pins to the E4 and E5.
Hello everyone, today we will show how to HeatBeat works. We have a LCD screen on top of project. The LCD screen shows the room temperature and the temperature we want our room to be at.
And there is a potentiometer and 3 LEDs here. We can set the temperature we want with this potentiometer, and this 3 LEDs shows us if the room is cold, warm or hot. In the project we have a temperature sensor which is the HT11. The temperature sensor is measure the temperature of our room. The top of the sensor we have a LED, and if our room temperature is lower than that we wanted, the LED's gonna turn on.
First, we include the necessary libraries: DHT-H for the temperature and humidity sensor, wire for communication and liquid crystal, I2C for the LCD display. Next, we define the pins for the temperature sensor, potentiometer, LEDs and fan. These are used to connect the components to the Arduino. We then create an instance of the DHT sensor and initialize the LCD display. Inside the setup function, we initialize the LCD and sensor, set up the serial monitor for debugging and define the LED pins as outputs. The loop function runs continuously, reading the sensor values and adjusting the LEDs and fan accordingly. We first read the humidity and temperature values from the DHT sensor, and the potentiometer value is also read and mapped to a temperature range of 15 to 30 centigrade. If the sensor fails to read data, an error message is displayed in the serial monitor and the function stops. Now, we print the current room temperature and the user set temperature on the LCD screen. For debugging, we also print temperature and humidity values in the serial monitor. Based on the temperature, the LEDs change color to indicate the current room condition. And below 20 centigrade means blue LED, that means cold. And between 20 and 24 is yellow LED, that means comfortable. And if it's above 24 centigrade, the red LED will turn, and that means hot. And if the room temperature is lower than the set temperature, the fan turns on, otherwise it stays off. Finally, we add a short delay of 500 milliseconds before the next reading, and that's how HeatBeat works. The system automatically adjusts heating and cooling and helping to save energy and maintain comfort. I hope this explanation helped you understand the code, and thanks for watching.